As the monsoon gets delayed over most parts of India after a timely start, the sowing of major kharif crops has seen a dip. Irrespective of when the rains arrive now, the sowing window for crops like moong, urad and to an extent cotton might be too short for farmers to commence operations. The All India Crop Situation Report issued by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare shows sowing in over 499.87 lakh hectares against 558.11 lakh hectares last year, with an area under almost all major crops including moong, soybean, paddy and cotton reporting a dip. Last year, when there was a bumper sowing of crops, farmers had planted soybean over 92.36 lakh hectare, which is down to 82.14 lakh hectares now. And the cotton, the major kharif crop, over 104.83 lakh hectare against 86.45 lakh hectare. Among cereal crops, bajra has sown over 15.74 against 25.32. Down from 126.13 lakh in 2020, pulses overall have also seen a dip, though minor, to over 52.49 from 53.35 in last year. Sugarcane is among the few exceptions, with sowing in over 53.56 lakh hectare against 52.65 in last year. In the absence of rain, farmers are either shifting to shorter duration crops or waiting for enough soil moisture to commence the sowing period. Since 2020, the India Meteorological Department, that is IMD, is following a revised monsoon onset and withdrawal calendar, according to which the normal date for rains to reach all regions of the country is July 8. As of Friday, July 9, the country had received 229.7 millimeter of rainfall, 6% below the normal 2.3.6, showing a rainfall deficit except for the first 2 weeks of June. Northwestern India has reported the most significant deficit of 18% as of Friday. Monsoon was delayed over Delhi, Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana and Western Rajasthan. At minus 58%, Delhi is one of the most deficient states in this season. Normally, farmers are advised not to sow groundnut, moong and urad if there is not enough soil moisture by July 15. Cotton sowing would be hit in case the rains continue to play truant till the end of July. However, 2021 does not mark the most delayed monsoon onset in the parts of country. Still to see rains. In 2012, against its normal date of June 29, Delhi had seen rains arrive on June 7. Most previous monsoon between 2010 and 2020 also saw a similar break phase between June 4th week and early July. Though none lasted beyond 11 days, this time the break has stretched to close to 3 weeks. The monsoon of 2013 holds the record for seeing the fastest advance over the entire country and completed in 10 days since 1941, the IMD said. However, as per the latest weather forecast, the monsoon is all set to revive as the easterly winds have started blowing along the lower levels from the Bay of Bengal. The monsoon is likely to advance into the remaining parts of West Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh, Punjab and Rajasthan by July 10. The Meteorological Office weather report on Friday on the Morning Red.